I need all of my nail techs, lash techs, hairdressers to tap in because questions that need answering. I need answers at this point. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm on my way to get my hair done. I basically got off work, ran home to get my bundles for this hairstyle, and had to come straight out here. And of course I'm a little late. I'm like 10 minutes late, but if you know Atlanta, you know traffic. I'm like 2 minutes away, so I will see you guys when I get there. Bye.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default.
I'll try again one day, we'll see. Your hands under my pillow, so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you, leaving roses on my feet. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm faded on my knees. It's so much that I need.
Hey guys, I just left from getting my hair done. I don't know if y'all really see it. So yeah, now I'm about to meet my best friend for like a few minutes, and then I need to head back home. I still need to like wash makeup brushes, makeup sponges, and everything. So I still have a lot to do, and maybe even stop by the beauty spot. So my nails and lashes and brows and everything tomorrow. So I never had this style, so this is new. Something different. And of course this is my hair that I sell, Mere More Tresses. I will link it down below. I thought I was gonna get a little footage, but the vibes just wasn't giving that. But yeah, I wanted to record in there. I thought I was gonna do like, you know, pleasing looking b-roll footage, but those were not the vibes. It wasn't the, I don't know. But I think I'm gonna go, we're trying to upgrade our phones and get way more storage since I'll be vlogging on my phone. So I might have to go to the Verizon store, and I'm in traffic right now. Yeah, I still got a lot to do, y'all. Yeah, I want to go ahead and put everything in my suitcase tonight. So tomorrow all I have to do is really pamper myself and get like last minute things. So yeah, talk to you guys later.
It's so much that I need.
Hey guys, so I am back. I just got my nails done. Can you see? Oh, it won't focus. Yeah. And in my thoughts, I wanted to get like something super blingy, you know, like Cardi B or something, but that's just not me. I'm more of a simple girl. So I just got a little razzle dazzle for my birthday nails. But yeah, on the way to Lennox. Hopefully I can get some shoes. I'm not looking for nothing crazy, just some basic shoes to go with my pretty ass birthday dress. It's like a weird day. I'm about to try and find, what's it called? What's it called? One of my favorite shoe places. Rainfall, like the last few weeks. Oh, Steve Madden. So I'm trying to find it.
Steve Madden. Steve.
We take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Now Julio made me a Fulvio. Now I hit the
I'm trying to get this version, y'all, in the heel. It's like the flat.
your phone up with that ba-ba-ba. Isn't that da-da-da? Isn't that
Oh, this is so cute and perfect.
all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and no shit. You a damn drug, yeah. Toxic. All the sex on replay, running back like a DJ. Flying face while you eat that, trying to make a bad bitch behave. I was just waiting for you, was still waiting for you, thinking I would wait for you.
Yeah, I haven't been like in store to get makeup in forever. I always like order. I always get the Tarte Shake Tape, but I never actually like tried another kind of concealer. I got foundation. I got a concealer because I don't want to get like a Ooh, Lady Gaga collected.
Toxic. All of this love is toxic. All this isn't toxic.
Oh, look, y'all used to do that.
Toxic. Problematic. You know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always calling your dramatics. All in your acrobatics. You know I want to stay.
And now I'm about to head up to get my lashes done. I'm getting the top and bottom, and she's gonna do a brow tint. And yeah, I kind of need to go because I'll be running late a little bit. So yeah, I'll see you guys. I'll see if I can get footage. And I know, oh, I look crazy because I've been crying. My eyes are puffy. My face swollen. And as you can see, I don't have my lashes top or bottom or my brows tinted. I feel like Mercury Retrograde has definitely been retrograding. And yes, I have been crying. It's been that real. So, but yeah, I need all of my nail techs, lash techs, hairdressers to tap in because questions that need answering. I need answers at this point because what the fuck is going on? Nail techs, lash techs, hairdressers. You guys have a grace period policy, which is usually 10 to 15 minutes. If you're late, you can still be seen. Cool. But when we're on time, we have to sit there and wait on y'all to finish talking on the phone, for y'all to finish getting set up and all this stuff. We're sitting around waiting usually a good 30 minutes. Like, come on now. But if we're like 5 minutes behind, big ass deal. You just have so many clients. Yeah. I was supposed to get my top lashes, bottom lashes, and a brow tint. So if I'm late, you give a 15-minute grace period or 10-minute grace period, whatever it is. That's still a lot of time to do my top lashes. Or is it just me? I get you can't do everything that I wanted to do because I was late, because now you don't have the time. You have clients after me. That pushes everything back. I get that. But you can still do something. Or is it just me? I went through the most to get to this appointment. And I know they don't really care about, you know, whatever happened. They just care about their time. You know, it is what it is. But I went through so much. Literally, I got my nails done. I had my feet soaking and everything. I was like, let me go ahead and just leave early, to be early. I didn't even get my feet done. Literally, feet in the bowl, water soaking. Got up. Went down Old National. It's one lane open. Y'all, they're doing construction Old National. Not only that, but then my phone is not fucking working. Where is it, matter of fact? This piece of shit phone. Oh, but now, and the crazy part is after I done went out through all, now my phone's working perfectly fine. My phone would not, it was turning on and off, literally on and off, on and off. I couldn't tap anything. I couldn't use my messages. I couldn't use my navigation. I had to call my husband on my car phone.
In half a mile,
thank God that worked, because I had no way of knowing how to get there, just to be turned around and get nothing. I'm frustrated, y'all, so yes, I'm ranting. And I was crying on the way there because I thought I wasn't gonna make it, but I was like, whew, you know, I'm still within the grace period, whatever. She should still be able to see me. And then she refers me to other people, which, you know, thank you, but it's like, she's the only person I can go to because I'm allergic to lash glue. Any other lash tech, I tried so many, y'all. Any other lash tech glue, my eyes literally puff up, swelling, itching, like the whole nine. I cannot, like, I've tried so many lash techs, y'all. I really just want to be able to stay with one person for my nails, my you know, different things, stay with one person. But then shit like this happens and it's like, what the fuck? I don't even know where I was. But anyway, yeah, I went through all that. It didn't get done. I'm sure God has this other plan for me to go to Lennox right now, earlier than I was supposed to. My appointment was supposed to take 2 hours, y'all. Even if I was 20 minutes late, 2 hours, you can't just do my time. Okay, anyway, it is what it is. A lot's been going on. I still have other things to do, so I guess it's early. You know, I guess it's good that I can just go ahead and get this other stuff done on my list. I'm in traffic. It's been so much traffic today, like, y'all. I don't know. Okay, I'm done ranting. I'm probably like gonna cut all this shit out anyway. And y'all, when I say like Mercury retrograde is retrograding, I'm the type when I'm in a bad mood or upset or something, I don't want to just be around other people, you know, throwing the vibe off, bringing the mood down. So when I'm like going through stuff, I like to just be alone. But I know you know, so much work has been put into this. I normally just want to be like, you know, maybe I should take this as a sign. And maybe I should have taken that as a sign when my phone was fucking up, to just reschedule or something. And then because of like all this, she still charges your card like fully for like all the service. So all that service I did not get done, fully charged. My hair didn't turn out like I wanted it to, didn't have the experience I really wanted to. So I'm trying not to take all this. It's been other stuff that's been happening too, but this is just like recently, like the last 2 days. It's been other stuff, but I'm trying not to take all this as a sign to just like, see, this looks crazy, these skinny little braids. But I'm trying not to take this as a sign to just not go, and take it as a sign that I just don't have control over everything. Things happen, but I'm still gonna have a great time. And that's what I keep telling myself. But yeah, I'm gonna have a good day. I'm gonna claim it. I'm probably, well, I have to go back and finish getting my toes done at the salon, so
1 mile exit right.
I just want to go back home. I want to go home. I want to go. Since I left my house, that's been my mood. I want to go home. Cannot wait to get back home. Yeah. This vlog is gonna be a hot mess and all over the place, but I'm back on my side of town again, which I'm about to get my pedicure, because I don't know if I put in the vlog how I left early, got my nails done and didn't get my feet done so I can try and be on time. And here we are. I gotta learn to let it go, because I knowing me, I will sit here and harp on that until like my trip. So I need to let it go, get over it, it happened, whatever. And then we're supposed to be going to a dinner, but I'm gonna be hella late because I have to get my feet fixed. I can't have these as my nails and then like some old polish from last time. Like, no, I'm gonna get French tip. I called ahead, so they should be seeing me shortly. So yeah, let's go ahead and wrap this damn maintenance vlog up that's literally taking 4 fucking ever. Like, I'm so over it. So over it. I'm just ready to be on the beach with a pina colada, sipping and not worrying about no bullshit. And Mercury retrograde can go to hell, honestly. See you in hell. Cardi B voice. Okay, bye. Hey guys, and I'm back. I'm in a much better mood in spite of everything that's been going on. But I think God is just trying to show me that something I already knew, which has been my lesson of 2020, which is you can't control everything. I'm a Virgo. I try and stay ahead of everything and control everything and have everything a certain way. And it's like, regardless of what's been going wrong, yes, it sucks, but it's like, it's still my birthday and I'm still going on a vacation that I know is going to be bomb because my husband planned it. So yeah, I'm just going to try and stay positive, not let this retrograde get to me, because y'all, I don't know, it's just been so much little stuff that's just been adding up to where it's like, what the fuck? Even down to like plans getting canceled and time and miscommunication, technology going wrong, like everything possible that could happen has been happening. So I'm gonna try and just stay positive, get home safely, because it's a lot of traffic and y'all know people act like they don't know how to drive. Like right now, I wish I could show y'all what's happening, but yeah, just a bunch of craziness. So I just want to get home safely. And yeah, we just left Frank's on the River. That's a restaurant. We got our food to go, and as we're leaving, it was for my husband's family's birthday. And as we're leaving, my mother-in-law tells me where we're going. Like, this entire time I didn't know where we were going. I just knew we were going out of town. I knew the pack. Tropical. She spilled the beans. Oh my goodness. Guess where I'm going? Turks and motherfucking Caicos. Y'all can't even see me.